do the leaves on your raspberries or any other plants in your garden end up with yellow. So that can be a mixture of things. It can be underwatering, overwatering, or nitrogen deficiency. Now these raspberry canes are definitely not underwatered, overwatered. There's actually something in your garden you can make into a fertiliser that's absolutely free, and every garden has it. Stinging nettles. So these are rich in nitrogen, which is sometimes or most always lacking in yellowing leaves on plants. So if you get a container, I use a empty milk jug, ram that with stinging nettles and leave it for, I don't know, this stuff here was for last year, leave it for a few months to ferment. And be careful when you take the lid off it, because it really stinks. So you dilute it roughly 10 to 1 into a watering can. Just have a bit of a guess how much it is. So we'll go for that much. It's packed full of nitrogen. Feed your plants with that, eventually lead to nice bright green leaves. So hope you found that short video of some interest. I'll see you all in the next one.